Welcome back to Lions Kids! Today we're going to be making breakfast. Today we're going to be making biscuits, eggs, and steak. Yeah. And the first thing we're going to be making is biscuits. We need 3 cups of soft white flour and 3/4 cups of whole milk. Make sure if you're using a measuring cup that the 3/4 is down here and not up here. And 3/4 cups of sour cream or kefir. First thing you want to do is put 3 cups of flour into your bowl. And save some flour for when we need to roll it out. Now we need to cut up our butter into small cubes. Make sure you have somebody watching you while you cut the butter. My big sister's watching, so don't worry. And 3/4 cups of sour cream or kefir.
Put it carefully so it don't melt. Hooray!
Now what you want to do is crumble the butter and the flour with your hands. The recipe called for 2 sticks of butter, but we accidentally put 4. So we use 2 to 3 extra cups of flour. It should look something like this. Because of our mistake, we had to double the recipe.
Now time for the milk and sour cream. Let's go! Put this.
Now we're going to mix it up together. If you need more flour, then add it. But if you don't need more flour, then you don't. Don't forget to add your baking powder. This is 1 and 1/2 tablespoons.
It should look something like this.
Before we finish, we need to preheat our oven to 425. Now we need to sprinkle flour on the counter. Now go ahead and put your dough on the counter. Now we have to put flour on top of it. Flatten it out with your hands and make it into a square shape. Now roll it out with the rolling pin. put it back into a square shape, and now let's cut it out. We put half of it in the freezer, and the other half made 14. When you're done shaping them, put it on a pan that has oil in it. After you clean up, we're going to put some egg wash on your biscuits. Just crack an egg or two into your bowl and put it on the biscuits. Now put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. It's ready.
We're good. I'm a little baby. The baby.
Make sure you have somebody watching you while you do it.
Take them out. Take them out. Take them out. Voila.
Now it's time to make the steak. So we're going to cut the fat off first. We have to get another knife because the other knife that we had was not sharp enough. If you don't know how to do it, just ask for help. Now I'm going to cut it into strips. Make sure you wash your hands before touching anything else.
Yeah, sounds good. Okay, guys, now we're going to season the steak.
So we have
Paprika
and sriracha
and
and Italian seasoning and pink salt and garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper.
paprika.
And now we need to put a little spoon of sugar. Now we're going to prepare our eggs. We're going to be using 7 eggs. Now we need to pour a splash of milk. We're going to season it with the same seasonings. Now that we've prepared our eggs and steak, we are going to cook it. We're going to use a griddle and we have to wait for it to heat up. First, put some oil on your pan. We're going to put olive oil. Now we're going to cook the steak, then the eggs. Let it cook for a while, then flip it. We're gonna cook it until all the blood is out. It's almost done. Once our steak is nice and brown, it's time to plate. Now the steak is done. Put it on the plate.
Now time for the eggs.
Yep. The eggs are done.
What you think about it?
I
Good?
think it's wonderful.
Thumbs up from her?
Look at this beautiful steak. And eggs. And this is how you can make breakfast for you and your family. Wow! Eggs, biscuits, and steak.
Time to make plates.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Hooray. We made the family's food. Now we can
Subscribe to our channel.
no reaction. Thanks for watching. Bye. Leave a comment. Like, subscribe.